Hey Gems, how you doing? I was just getting on here to let you guys know that I did receive my puppy. My puppy is home and she's been home since Tuesday. Today is Friday and um, she's been home since Tuesday. I did take her on the 30th of June to go and get spayed, and she is a Shih Tzu mixed with a Yorkie. Her name is Cash for short, but her full name is Cashmere. And this is what she looks like. That is what she looks like. Um, I've been working still, and um, I work overnight, so I try to get her to go to the bathroom as much as I can outside um, during the day. Um, but I also sleep a lot. Well, not a lot, but I at least try to get 5 or 6 hours of sleep so that I won't be tired at work overnight. But I took her to a place. I live in Minnesota, and I took her to a place called Minnesota Snap. If you see me looking over, I'm looking at my papers. I took her to a place called Minnesota Snap, and I took her there to get spayed and to get her vaccines, to get vaccinated, because those were the requirements that I needed to do in order for her to live in my apartment complex. So my landlord required her to get spayed and to have all her shots up to date. She got spayed on the 30th of June, and they sent her with three uh, half a tablet of pills for 24 hours. Um, and it costs like Minnesota Snap is a place for like in Minnesota is a place for like low income families. And so I had to show proof that I was low income, and they were able to spay her and give her vaccines for like $190, I believe. For like $190. Um, so she got her rabies shot and another shot, and I think she got like 2 to 4 shots, um, if I'm not mistaken. But they spayed her as well, and her incision is healing up pretty well. Like I said before, my niece was taking care of her for me, and I'm pretty grateful for that. That my niece was able to care for her while I waited for my landlord to approve her. And tired. But yeah, she's been home since Tuesday, and if anybody has any tips on, she is 4 months old, and if anybody has any tips on um, potty training her or training her, I'm trying to get her to sleep inside of her. Even though she's 4 months old, she likes to jump in my bed, and I'm trying to get her to sleep inside of her doggy bed. So if anybody got any tips on that, I would appreciate that. If you leave it in the comment section. But otherwise, I just wanted to jump on here and let you guys know that she is home, and I don't want to say it's been it's not rough having her here, but it's been kind of hard to work overnight and potty train her because she jumped on my daughter's bed and went to the bathroom on top of her sheets. And I was like, oh no. And I was like, I hope she doesn't do that to my bed. So I had to wash my daughter's blankets and stuff. But my kids are adjusting well to her being here. And yeah, today we went and got donuts from a coffee shop in downtown Minneapolis called Cardigans. You guys should really try the donuts are really good. But we took Cashmere in her dog kennel, portable kennel, and so we took her there, inside of there, and I was pretty much wondering if I was able to bring her inside of the restaurant. And the lady said, yes, you can bring her in here on a leash. So I wish I would have known that because I would have brought her there on a leash next time I know that I can bring her. She said people bring their dogs all the time on a leash. So I was like, okay. But yeah, she's 4 months old, and I believe because she just on Tuesday got separated from her mom. She's been with her mom all the way up until now. So I believe that it's kind of hard for her to transition without her mom. But she's all up under me, and I think that she misses her mom. But I just want her to get used to being here because this is her new home. And yeah. But like I said, I live in Minnesota. So it's a place called Minnesota SNAP for low income families to get their pets spayed or neutered and to get vaccinated. Or you can also, I think, I'm not sure, but I believe that you can take your dog to get groomed there because I was hearing a lady saying that she wanted her dog to get the toenails and everything clipped. And I believe that they said that they clipped the toenails along with the services that they give or whatever. But yeah, how are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing all right. Um, it's kind of exciting to like. I was very, very excited for her to come home, and now that she's here, I'm just like, oh my god, I can't believe I'm a dog mom. So I love my puppy, and she's really, really sweet. My sister said that my puppy was wild. She's like, your puppy is really wild. But she's been pretty mellow since she's been home. I just know she likes to cuddle a lot. But yeah, and this past week I went to go get my nails done. And I do CNA work. So I think that I will go to, they're a bit longer than what I usually get. So I think I will go to get a trim. The next time I go to get my nails done, I think I'm gonna have them cut them down because I'm used to it being shorter. Like for some reason, my thumb seems like it's the right length, but these are really long, so I want them to get cut down shorter. Plus, it'd be easier for me to handle my dog, like pick her up and stuff like that. Cause I don't want to be hurting her while I'm picking her up. So, plus I don't want to be hurting the residents while I'm trying to do my work or do my job or do my job. So I just thought I'd get out here and let you guys know in case anybody else lives in Minnesota. You can take your pet there to get spayed or neutered. And I hope you guys have a blessed weekend. And talk to you soon. Bye. Bye, Gems.